In order for everyone to hear their name, you're going to have to sit real pretty and quiet, okay? So everybody get comfortable, and when you hear your name, come and get your certificate. Thank you. Starting with the all E's for excellent, or all A's for awesome, we have Nicole Hernandez. Darrell Mangua. Ivan Solano. Even Solano. Alejandra Hernandez.
Can't hear them. Okay, so we can't hear them, but we can see them. You can't hear them.
Wafir Rahman. Isam Udin.
You gotta look.
Sahar Suha. Zoyet Farshan. Musa Morshid. Excuse me. I said in order for everyone to hear their name. Shariar Ahmed. Isla Hader. You've been doing a very good job. Let's continue so everyone can hear their name. Please and thank you. Alicia Efrain. Wadi Ahmed. Annabelle Rafiq. Giovanna Ramos. Luz Vicente. Corrine Wagner. Sergio Cho. Demina Cortez. Ashley Flores. Liam Hernandez. Come on, Liam. Mateo Montemoros. Neftali Ramirez. Is that it? Okay. Thank you. Romanis Ramirez. Yader Romero. Yader Romero. Genesis Suriel Valdez. Esther Yanez Fernandez. Guys, you have to let them come out so they can get their certificate, please. Corinne, turn around and sit down for me. Delia Dahlia Lee. Yahir Perez Ramirez. Christian Reyes. Yanady Ramirez. Garcia. Hi, Yanady. Good job. Adria Quintana. You want to help? Isaiah. Miriam Khan. Kindergarten, first grade would like to hear their name. First grade. Kindergarten, first grade. Kiswa Madara. Jabal Moore. George Coleman. Shraylin Martha. Mayuri Nina. Mayuri Nina. Montehina Adin. Alan Felipe. Muhammad Hayder. Wahid Imam. Jeremy Yadrivan. Sophia Zong. Sophia Zenida Quintanilla. Alina Anwar. Mazria Helen. Ahil Kabir. Mahi Mahidi. Zobia Rafi. Naila Efron. Evelyn Amaraz. Victor Cool. Victor Zaire. Caitlin Castrojohn. Camelia Marino Jasper. Lucas Cool Torres. Gianna Gito. Afshana Hakim. Olivia Polanco, Hannah Reyes Mendez, Isabella Sarmiento. 1, 2. Remember, 2 means I don't want to get the 3. 2.5. 2 3/4. If I get the 3, excuse me, kindergarten. I don't think you should come without your teacher. You have to show me how you got straight A's or A's and B's. Esther, sit back. Sakib Armin. Ashfaq Ariane. Ishmael Hakeem is not here. Joe Wayne. Ushra Sabas. Aisha Asha. Where's Aisha? Right. Sandra Toole. Christina Tran. Khadija Anwar. Luna Perez. Jamie Maldonado. Muhammad Tawheed. Muhammad Tawheed. Kenny Train. K-1 and 2. You have your certificates. Let's be nice so everyone can hear their name, please. Look at that. Turn the part back this way. Yeah. Thank you, Jamie. Katie Perez. Guadalupe Flores Montes. Cesar Cortez. Nia Hernandez Nunez. Munoz. Where's Leah? Oh, there she is. Annalise Serrano. Miss Shrazana. Is there anyone? 1, 2. Esther. I don't want to get the 3. Is there anyone that did not receive a certificate? Okay, come on up, sweetie. Come up here. If you did not receive a certificate, come on up. If you did. Did anyone else not receive a certificate? Okay, if you're happy and you know it, raise your certificate in the air. Wave it like you know. Congratulations, guys. Okay, everyone has a certificate. Take it home. Be very proud of yourself and have a great summer. Here's your uncle.